Hi guys, so as you can see from the title, you already know this is a house tour and you might be like super confused. Last thing you guys knew, I was in my apartment. There was no plans of moving. Technically my lease isn't up till March there. And I share that with my brother, but this house kind of popped up out of nowhere and I was kind of looking, but I wasn't. Like I said, my lease was up in March, so I really didn't have a reason to look because I still have like 5 or 6 months left. But this house came up, saw it, loved it, thought it would be perfect for me. So I ended up just buying it now. And then yeah, for a few months I'm gonna have 2 house rent and mortgage payment, which kind of sucks. But luckily I have plenty of savings, so anyway, that's beside the point. So yeah, this house kind of popped up and that's kind of why I was MIA for like 2 months. I was getting all this settled, starting to move in and stuff, and I have been filming it for you guys. So definitely be on the lookout. I have this house tour. I have me painting furniture. I'm gonna do a haul of all the stuff I've bought. And yeah, I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So I can answer questions if you guys have questions down below about like why did this, what's going on. I don't want this to be like a super long intro. I really just want it to be a house tour, and I will bring you guys along with me through everything. So let's get into the tour. All right guys, so when you first come in the house, you come in the main living area. It's hard, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it is pretty small. This is only a 1-bed, 1-bath home, but it's perfect for what I need. So I'm a little late on filming this house tour. We did already paint these walls. This over here was the original color. It's like green, and then we're painting gray. So we did do the living room already, but yes, these are the walls we've done so far. It has 2 nice big windows in the living area with these blinds. I don't know what these are, but we're gonna keep these, they're nice. And then they have these cool outlets that have the USBs in them that were already here when we bought it. So almost all of the plugs have that, so we're obviously gonna keep that because it's nice. This trim, I have to clean it up a little after because I taped it, but this trim is like a wood, like a finished wood. It's also around the windows. I'm sorry if there's a little shaky. I'm just doing it freehand, so my bad. So this is the kitchen, which we'll go to in a minute. This is the other living room wall. They left the TV mount, which is awesome because this stuff costs like a couple $100. So when I get a new TV, obviously I'm gonna mount it there. It has a relatively new air conditioner. I think it's like 3 or 4 years old. Oh, I forgot to take this tape off. But yeah, so this is the air conditioning system. It's a Lennox, I don't know how to say that. This is the bathroom, which we'll go to in a minute. This is the coat closet. It's kind of like an awkward under the stairs closet. If you guys have any ideas for like how to use this space most effectively, I definitely want to paint in here, but I really kind of want to install some shelves. So any ideas would be awesome. And from the coat closet, we go back around and we're back at the front door. And this is what you see. It's a small kitchen, but again, it's perfect for my needs. And sorry about the mess. This is like where we've been painting, and we're gonna put some tile up and stuff. So this is like where all of our supplies are. I'm not gonna be able to fit like a dining table, but it has this like bar stool area, and I left the 2 bar stools, which I'm probably gonna paint. So this is like my main eating area. And then it has this shelf, which is really nice right here. We are gonna put tile as a backsplash, hopefully in the next week or so. So I'm gonna be showing you guys that. These are the cabinets. It's not terrible, but we are gonna paint these white, and I'll show you guys the paint we're gonna use in a little bit. And then I'm probably gonna, I'm gonna replace these, but I think I'm gonna do a gold accent color. So I'm gonna do gold handles, and then I'm gonna show you guys a new sink I got, and we're gonna do a gold faucet. So I'm gonna do white and gold. The insides are in really good shape. I'm not gonna paint these, they're fine. This is the sink and faucet area. It has another cute little window with those same blinds. We are going to put a new sink in. I already ordered it. It is here, it's still in the box. I'll insert a picture for you guys right here. It's a white sink, double bowl, and then I'll insert a picture of the gold faucet I bought. Both are from Wayfair. So yes, that should be hopefully put in when the faucet comes, hopefully in the next week or so. This is the paint that we're using. I forgot what the brand is called. I think it's like HTG or something. I'll have to put it on the screen somewhere. But this is the all-in-one paint. This is cashmere. And hopefully this will cover everything. We might need to buy more because these are dark cabinets and we're painting them white, but this is what we're using to paint the cabinets. Also right here by the door wall, it has like this little extra space. I might put a trash can there or on the other side, and then it has these open shelves, which I really do like as well. I'm not gonna go outside because this is basically everything, but this is my yard. It's big enough for me and my dog, and I maybe want to do some entertainment. It has a nice size shed out there. Ideally, I want to put a white fence all around, but I didn't realize how expensive fences were. So that might be a project for next year. Right, this is the other side of the door wall. Has another big space where I might put the trash can and then some open shelving. This is gonna be my pantry area, which should be fine for just me. The stove, the microwave, and a bigger fridge, which they just bought like a couple months ago. So it's relatively new and they left it. And then these are the countertops. I do like them. They're like a wood. I forgot what the official name was, but it's like a finished wood. So I think these are gonna look really good with white cabinets and gold handles and accents. And now we're gonna go check out the bathroom. Also, the front door has this too, but these cool doors that I really like the extra work that they put into it. And this is actually like a really wide door now that I'm looking at it. I didn't realize that. This door like closes automatically, so I have to hold it. All right, so this, sorry, I'm holding this one-handed. This is the bathroom when you first walk in, and it looks very big because it is a pretty big bathroom. This is the back of the door that we just came in. This is the shower, which I haven't done any cleaning yet. I've had the keys for about a week, and right now I'm just working on painting and stuff. But yeah, I need to clean it. This is the like tile work on the walls. I do like this. I'm going to paint the walls the gray color that I'm using, and I think it will look good with this. So that's a project for probably a month or two down the line. It has this above toilet storage, which I'm glad they have the white cabinets in here because that's what I wanted. This is the toilet, and it has one of those bidet things, or I think that's what it's called, so that's interesting. They left all of their like bathroom stuff, which is cool. This is the sink. It's a pretty wide thing. If I wanted to, eventually I could put like 2 sinks in, but that would require like plumbing and stuff, and I really don't need that. So this will do for now, but it has plenty of storage, so that's nice. And then they also have those USB plugs in here, so that's good. Oh, and they have one of these medicine cabinets, which is nice. 2 big like closet looking things. So in here, and here is the laundry area. So it's in the bathroom, which is fine with me. These 2 laundry machines are staying, which is super nice. Eventually, I don't want to be too picky because I should be very grateful that I get to keep these, but eventually I want to get a top loading washer because they're a lot easier to keep clean and I like them better. But for now, I'm very grateful to have this so I don't have to buy another one. Up here, there's a shelf and then some storage. So moving over, so it runs all the way through. That's the other door that you saw. It's like the water heater, some other stuff that I don't know because I know nothing about this stuff. So I could put a little bit of storage right here, but this side is mostly taken up by all of that electrical stuff. But yes, mostly for my laundry area. And you guys know I have like a million detergents, so hopefully everything will fit in here. Also, the grout is like brown, which matches like the walls and the tile, but I'm gonna put in like a gray or white grout just to freshen it up a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna head upstairs. Don't mind the stairs. I'm about to paint this wall and the ceiling, so that's why it's just a hot mess. But it has these super cute, like, I don't even know what kind of windows they are, but I really, really like them. They go all the way up, and then there's a square one at the top of the stairs. They did have these curtains there, but I didn't like how it looked. So for now, we're gonna take the holes out where they were and just paint over it. And maybe, I don't know if we're gonna put something there or just leave it like that. Unfortunately, they can't be opened because there's a screen, but they do look very cute. When you come up this first part of the stairs, this is what you see. It is like a little loft bedroom. It was actually the attic, and then the homeowners before us turned it into a like large one bedroom. So when you get up to the top of the stairs, this is it. It does, I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. I just walked up the stairs really fast. It has this really cool ceiling. It actually has this downstairs too. I forgot to show you guys. But it has this all the way across, and I don't know how to show you guys this like for reference, but this is how tall I am. And like this is where, so I can like extend my arm fully without hitting my head. But then when you go down, it's obviously different. So it has these like shelving things. They have like clothes in here. I don't know if that's what I want to do, but it is nice to have the extra storage. They left another wall mount on here, which is awesome. So this is the closet. I have to get this hole patched, but it's a pretty decent sized closet. I really do want to paint it and do something with this floor, but it's a good size to work with. This is where my bed's gonna go. They had a whole king size bed and 2 nightstands and still had room on the wall. So there's plenty of space up here for that. And then they do have the USB plugs, which is nice. And they have the light switches, so I don't have to get out of bed to turn the light off, which is nice for lazy people like me. So this is the sink. It's still in the box. And then I ordered something, I forgot what it's called, but like a TV console to go under the mounted TV. So that just came today. So I'm gonna leave those in the boxes until I'm ready to actually put them together. But that is everything, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. I'm excited to share this journey with you. I already recorded me doing some painting. I don't really want to record that much painting because it's not that interesting, but I will be showing you guys everything we do when we do upgrades and furnishing. And yeah, so I hope you guys are excited. I know I didn't really announce it on my channel, so surprise, I bought a house and I'm so excited to make it my own, and I'm excited to bring you guys on the journey. So don't forget to subscribe for more updates. I'm trying to do a video every single week, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.